This is our 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine, and you, my brother.
Good, man. What's your name? Where do you come from? Just tell them.
I'm Mr. Dangerous, from the dangerous mountains of Molotov.
Yeah.
I'm a deputy branch chairperson of Mamelodi branch.
Your take on the game tonight?
Today's game, I was not impressed with the game. It looks like Sundowns undermined Sekhukhune because the manner in which they put their starting lineup, you can see that they were focused more on the Esperance game than this one. You see, it was more of a warming game for them. They only took it more serious in the second half. And that's where they did manage to put Rivero and but irrespective of that, Sekhukhune deserved to win this game. Sundowns didn't deserve to win this game. Sekhukhune is the one that deserved to win this game because I can see that some Sundowns players were tired and some the other ones that were playing here, their mind were not here. I don't know if maybe there is a tactic of the coach or something, but I could see that no, Sundowns didn't take this game serious. Irrespective of the fact that they want to go to the final or to the semi-final with Kaizer Chiefs, but they are more focused. I don't know, maybe it's because of the incentives of the CAF Champions League. They rather lose this one and win the CAF Champions League. I don't know, but from where I was standing, it was a boring game. It lacked that thing. I don't know if maybe they didn't take Sekhukhune serious or whatever. But one thing for sure is that no, they were even though they won, they were not taking this game serious. They were taking the Esperance game serious.
They are playing against you in the semi-finals. Do you think
that one is a walkover? They know what happened in our last league match.
Is the walkover? Are they going to beat you easily?
You saw the goal that they scored against us. That was an offside. You saw that we deserved the penalty. What happened to that penalty? And why, when we are playing against Sundowns, there's always the same match officials. There's always the same match officials. If there's not the local party, it's like Awongile Tom. I know all their match officials. There's also this guy. Why are the match officials against Sundowns not changing?
Let's hope they'll change next time.
No, they will not. They will not. As long as the yellow jacket man is still the CAF president, there's no match officials that will change on Sundowns versus Kaizer Chiefs game. And I can tell you even now that no, local body is going to be a match official against Kaizer Chiefs, and Sundowns will get the penalty. We'll play the whole 90 minutes with 10 players.
So meaning
our player is going to get a red card. I know what all the things that are happening.
So are you saying you're going to lose that game?
No, I'm not saying we're going to lose. I'm telling you that what's happening always when we're playing against Sundowns. When we're playing against Pirates, it's always a fair game. We're winning, we're losing, but it's always a fair game. But against Sundowns, there's always the same problems that are happening when we're playing against Sundowns. There's always the bad match officiating. There's always a red card. There's always a penalty in favor of Sundowns. Why sometimes there's no penalty in favor of Kaizer Chiefs? Why?
No, there's
penalties they're not given. They are given their own penalties. They're always giving illegal penalties. So and they are all. How many? Do you still remember how many referees were suspended on the games involving us and Sundowns? 3 match officials. But the result went where? It went to Sundowns because their man is at the helm of CAF.
I think.